Protect our nature.
Our nature is so beautiful. Plants and trees are swaying wonderful. Birds are chirping softly. The wind blows freshly. River flows purely. Let's protect it against harmful activities. Throw garbage properly. Maintain the river cleanly. Elevated mountain, full of green trees. Stop illegal logging to avoid flooding. Waste management is for environmental protection. Segregating and utilizing 3Rs are the best option to achieve waste minimization. All of us, let's start now. Protect our Mother Nature, so we will not repent in the end.